dito sa 2023 General Appropriations Act. Yun nga po, nag-direct dito na po tayo at more than 800 billion po of projects ang hindi na i-release kaagad dito sa itong taon po to.
Secretary, pero Mr. Chairman, wala kayong na-direct dito na flood control projects.
Sa 26 billion po meron po.
Pero, thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Secretary, on June 23, 2023, this is 2 years ago, you wrote Secretary Manuel, former Secretary Manuel Punuan in regard to the proposed fiscal year 2024 national budget, expecting the submission of the outcomes, performance indicator targets, and details of the PAPs. In the third paragraph of your letter